What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a vlog. It is Saturday, the day after Black Friday. Had a very successful week this week. I did like 40 hours in the first 3 days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Had a blessed Thanksgiving, so shout out to everybody. Hope you had a blessed Thanksgiving. Tackled a lot of Black Friday shopping yesterday. Found a lot of great deals. Very successful time. A very dead time, because everywhere I went was extremely dead. So I had a great time not being around crowds and everything, and being able to Black Friday shop that way. Got 10 appointments today. It is Saturday, like I said. My first one's at 9:15, and we're just gonna ease our way back into the schedule, ease our way back into the shop, and just tackle this day today. So, but like I said, my first one's at 9:15, so we're gonna go ahead and get to that cut. But before we get to that cut, I just found this right here, this Ultra Watermelon Monster. If you are a partaker of energy drinks, I highly suggest you go cop this flavor. Super delicious. I myself, I survive off caffeine, so I had to go scoop that new flavor. I think it's been out for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month. I don't know. I found it like 2 weeks ago, but go try it. But anyway, let's get to the shop.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
First client is here for his beard trim. Got a little present from Fort Worth Barber Supply. What's up? Oh, they went up? Dang. I'm gonna see what I got real quick. I know what I got, but I haven't, what do you call it? Stop, bro, you're early. Oh. Alright, dang. I like to cut towards me, you know?
I see that.
I like to live my life dangerously, bro. That's the only way to live. YOLO.
I'm gonna go ahead and get a trim while I'm here. I'm gonna have to take you to the ER card. You slice your stomach.
Yeah. I don't do drugs, so this is the only adrenaline I can get. Oops. Oh, what? Oh, my boy's gonna be watching this video. They over here hating on his rapping. Okay. Shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply for hooking it up. Got some air freshener here. Got some fiber gum from Hunter 1014. I've never personally heard of this company before, but gonna try it out. Let the shop try it out. See what we think as a whole. Some glass sheen pomade. And also some whipped mousse. Soft to medium hold with shine. I also got a new brush. Hy-Vee stuff. And some aftershave balm we could throw on you today. There we go. And then last but not least, we got some comb packs. I got one for my boss. And also, it is by JRL. So let's see what we got. Ooh, nifty. Look at that. I like that. I would not use this traveling case, but I do like the combs.
Hang it on the wall.
Hang it on the wall right here? Nah. Yeah. All right. Shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply, hooking it up.
You sold it to me for $70.
You just gotta keep looking, bro.
Oh, yeah, I looked on there. They had one. Like I said, I clicked on the one that I bought. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna click on the one I bought last time, and then watch what the price jumps to.
See, you got him when he first started.
Yeah.
He first started,
Yeah.
and then he found out how lucrative it was, and he was like, you know what?
You're right.
This price.
You're absolutely right. Well, let me show you the price of the last one. Look, this is the last one I'm buying. Right here, look.
Oh yeah, $70.
Yeah, well, watch them click on it and watch what it jumped to. Go.
$2.99. So they get you.
I told you. I said, nah, bro. I just texted him back because he texted me this morning. He said, good morning. He said, would you like to FaceTime so you can see it? Nah, bro, I didn't plan on doing that.
That's crazy.
Put that on the railway plan.
You gotta find a piece though, because his hair is growing back.
I'm gonna find one. That's why I was looking when I said. First, the last video I texted, he said it was gonna be a couple of months. So I was like, okay. He said, I got a friend that has some. Shoot, he must be.
And you got a lot of hair, like around right here.
Yeah.
And so we'd probably make a smaller cut right here this next time. And try to preserve a lot of the natural hair that you have. That'd be the smarter thing to do this time.
Yeah.
But you live and you learn.
No.
You want to take your mask off so we can see what we're working with the beard? Boom. Better transform it. No Chris Breezy. So I really didn't intend for that to be just a whole haircut montage type thing that we did there, but you've seen the cuts. My homeboy just brought in some blueberry donuts. We gotta get in and dive into those. Got them right here. And got a little 10-minute break and then get back to the cuts. Someone look like a bum for Thanksgiving. What's good, everybody? Hope you enjoyed the rest of the montage of haircuts. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. That is the day. It's 6:53 now, so about to head home, go grub, get some rest all day tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Get back in the shop on Monday. Usually don't work Mondays, but I'm gonna work this Monday for the fact that I had some clippers shipped, or a trimmer shipped to the shop address, so I have to be here to get that. So I will be opening up my schedule on Monday. Very feisty, busy day, a day full of transformation haircuts. So I wish I could have recorded the tutorial, but I didn't get a chance to do that. But like I said, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Hope you enjoyed the day in my life at the shop. Like I said, I'm having a trimmer shipped here on Monday, so stay tuned for another unboxing that I should have out next week. I'll be putting out a tutorial as well. So just stay locked into the channel. Also at 2K, we'll be doing a power mat giveaway, so stay tuned for that as well. But I won't bore you with any more rambling. Hope everybody had a blessed day today. It is Saturday the 29th. But other than that, hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Until next time, God bless.